2021 is being celebrated as the International Year for the Elimination of Child Labour. We have progressed, but we need to accelerate the pace. It's time to shift from commitments to action. Act now, end child labour is a slogan for 2021. Child labour refers to the employment of children in any work that deprives children of their childhood, interferes with their right to education and all that is harmful to their health and also their mental, physical, social, spiritual and moral development. All work done by children under the age of 15 and dangerous work done by children under the age of 18 is illegal.
घर बैठे ही नुक्कड़ देखो, आओ आओ नुक्कड़ देखो। नेटफ्लिक्स देखा, प्राइम देखा, बैठो अब तुम ये भी देखो। आओ आओ नुक्कड़ देखो, घर बैठे तुम नुक्कड़ देखो।
नुक्कड़ कहता बात पति की, सुन लो मेरे भाई।
घर बैठे ही इसने सब तक अपनी बात पहुंचाई। हाँ अपनी बात पहुंचाई।
ये है छोटू जो ढाबे पे काम करता है।
ये है 8 साल की मासूम रीना जो सिग्नल पे सामान बेचती है।
यह है 12 साल का राजू जो एक फैक्ट्री में काम करता है।
बाल श्रम की कालिख से ये कैसा बचपन गुजर रहा, ये कैसे गुमनामी के अंधेरे में हमारा देश कनक रहा।
जहाँ पर बच्चों को भगवान मानते हैं, उन्हीं से बाल मजदूरी करवाते हैं।
वो कैसे भाई, वो कैसे?
देखो भाई ऐसे।
सोहन,
यस सर।
मीना, यस सर। मीना,
यस सर।
रोहन, रोहन, क्या बात है? रोहन पिछले 15 दिनों से स्कूल नहीं आ रहा। रीना, क्या तुम्हें कुछ पता है? नहीं सर, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता।
सर मैंने सुना है कि उसके माँ ने उसे एक फैक्ट्री में काम करने के लिए भेज दिया है।
इतनी छोटी उम्र में हमें उसकी माँ से बात करनी होगी।
हाँ सर, हम भी आपके साथ आएंगे।
नमस्ते, मैं रोहन का सर। रोहन पिछले 15 दिनों से स्कूल नहीं आया। सब सही है ना? सर, मैं रोहन की मौसी हूँ। सर, बात ये है कि उन्होंने रोहन को फैक्ट्री में काम करने के लिए भेज दिया है। क्या ये सच है?
तो मैं और क्या करती? इतनी गरीबी आ गई है कि खाने का इंतजाम ही नहीं हो पाता है।
पर पढ़ाई करना भी तो जरूरी है ना।
नहीं कहा। अनुच्छेद 21 के अनुसार 6 से 14 वर्ष के बच्चों को निःशुल्क और अनिवार्य शिक्षा का अधिकार दिया गया है।
आप रोहन का दाखिला सरकारी स्कूल में करा सकती है। शिक्षा के साथ साथ सरकार मिड डे मील की सुविधा भी उपलब्ध करवाती है।
तुमने सही कहा बेटा, मुझे उसे फैक्ट्री नहीं भेजना चाहिए था।
चलो हम उस फैक्ट्री के मालिक से बात करते हैं।
इसे हाथ चला, देख कितना काम बाकी है, वरना आज का खाना भी नहीं मिलेगा।
मुझे बहुत भारी है, मैं सारा काम कर लूंगा। मुझे खाने के लिए जरूर देना, बहुत भूख लगी है। कल भी आपने मुझे खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं दिया था।
खाना क्या फ्री में आता है? जल्दी से हाथ चला।
अरे ये तो रोहन है, इसका क्या हाल हुआ है?
अरे सोहन, मीना और सर आप
कौन हो तुम लोग और यहाँ पर क्यों आए हो?
क्या आपको पता नहीं, हमारे संविधान के अनुसार 14 साल से कम उम्र के बच्चों से काम करवाना दंडनीय अपराध है। इसके लिए आपको जुर्माने के साथ साथ जेल भी हो सकती है।
सर, मैं अभी चाइल्ड हेल्पलाइन नंबर 1098 पर फोन करती हूँ। जब इसे जेल होगी तो इसे समझ में आएगा।
नहीं, ऐसा मत करना। मैं आइंदा किसी भी बच्चे को काम पर नहीं रखूंगा।
बंद करो साकार, शिक्षा है हमारा भी अधिकार।
बाल मजदूरी का करे दमन, बच्चों को लौटाए उनका बचपन।
बाल मजदूरी को जड़ से मिटाए, देश के बच्चों को शिक्षित बनाए।
We are making progress. Child labor has decreased by 38% in the last decade, as it is prohibited under international treaties and agreement. In spite of that, 152 million children
between 5 and 17 years according to estimates by International Labour Organization 2017 are still subject to child labour. Out of these, 12.9 million are in India. More worryingly, these numbers might not paint the whole picture as millions of child labourers remain invisible as they are clandestinely employed as domestic help in various industries. Of these, the worst fate meted to them is human trafficking.
Do you know how children were drawn into this malpractice? With the onset of Industrial Revolution in Britain and the US, there was a rapid exploitation of labor. Later, the Victorian era witnessed a surge of child labor. This gory practice saw the day of light in India when English East India Company defeated Sirajuddaulah, the Nawab of Bengal, in the Battle of Plassey. The British then became the masters of East India, that is Bengal, Bihar and Odisha, which together was a prosperous region with flourishing agriculture, industry and trade. Many children being forced into this unsavory practice due to the increasing need for cheap labor to produce large number of goods.
Some little budding souls with snap dreams and goals, spending and working their lives in the mines who never had enough to die. Weaving, sweeping or knitting, none of any gives them a normal decent living. The money that they make doesn't guarantee them a meal nor a chocolate cake. No school, no play, no child should go through life in this way. Shattered dreams and burdened with work. Is this supposed to be an identity of a child? The cry of innocence that no one hears, no one sees, the victim's hidden tears. They are God's little gifts, victims of our sins. Raise your voice, you know the cause. Give them back what is theirs. It's not that hard. Stop child labor.
There are various factors fueling child labor. The most glaring one is economic hardships. Due to poverty and unemployment, children are viewed as an easy source to generate income because they are made to work for paltry wages. Prevalence of illiteracy and lack of awareness of children's rights are the causes. People accepted it and invented excuses to exploit children as cheap laborers. The consumers worldwide demand cheap goods, but this grossly unjust practice needs to be stopped.
Legislation in the area of child labor goes back to 1881 when alarmed at the number of children employed in hazardous industries. The British Indian government drafted the first legislation on child labor. Over the years, the number of legislations has gone up. Specific constitutional provisions have appeared, yet child labor has reached a head count of millions. The Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act came into force in 1986 with the aim to protect childhood and provide the younger generation with the basic requirements during their growing years.
We're back kids again from a long day's work. There's so much that she must clean. His lungs are burning from the dust he breathes.
famous Nobel Peace Prize winner of 2014 says that children may have been given right to education, but now they must be educated about their rights. Mr. Kailash Satyarthi was appalled at the nightmarish, hazardous conditions that the children were exposed to. This brought him to the forefront in the fight against child slavery and labor since 1980. He founded a movement entitled Bachpan Bachao Andolan, Save the Childhood Movement, which has helped liberate more than 85,000 children in India from exploitation through education and rehabilitation. We have the privilege today to meet the guest of honor, Mr. Kailash Satyarthi. Let's get to know in his own words as to where and how his impulse to fight for children's rights was sown.
When I was 5, on the very first day of my schooling, I saw a boy around the same age as me. He was sitting outside the school looking at my shoes. He had a shoe polishing kit in front of him. I was really disturbed. My first ever question to the teacher was, why is the boy sitting outside and not inside the school? The teacher said, it is very common for poor children to work as they have to contribute to their family. Then I asked the boy's father about it. He said his father and his grandfather too were shoe shiners. Then he said, sir, don't you know that people like you are born to go to school and people like us are born to work? The question really stayed with me, but I had no answer to it as a child. When I grew older, I saved all my school books and my pocket money to pay the fees for poor children. But the feeling that I should do something for these children never left me. I trained myself as an electrical engineer. I left my job to become truly involved. My dear Michaelites, it's your part in contributing in some way in saving a child's childbirth.
Child labor brings illiteracy, whereas child education brings literacy.
Child labor is a social crime. Every child has a right to shine.
Child labor is very tough. Don't make their future rough.
Child labor is against the law. In our community, a great flaw.
Child labor is a devastation. We should concentrate on their education.
Child labor is an illegal act. To end it, let's all make a pact.
Let it be known, for child labor, we have no tolerance.
Of this evil practice, we need to cleanse the nation.
Let's share daydreams, shape their future. Come friends, let's join our hands together against this evil practice. If we are to achieve truth and peace in this world, it will have to begin with us, the children of today, fighting for children involved in child labor. Only then the world will shine again in grace and harmony. Buildings are built on big, big lands. Work is done by tiny, tiny hands. Stop child labor. Show a child love and care. Child labor is just not fair.
आपको नहीं लगता कि कोमल बचपन को इस तरह गर्त में जाने से आप रोक सकते हैं? देश के सुरक्षित भविष्य के लिए वक्त आ गया है कि आपको यह जिम्मेदारी अब लेनी ही होगी।